Hallo agus Felcha, and Jew Hishandal Kaited and Òran na Cloiche. So today we're going to look at the song Òran na Cloiche. Basically, what this is I'm going to read the song very slowly with pictures that kind of represent what each line of or part of a line of the song means. The lyrics that I got from the website BBC Alapa Bliana na Òran. I will put a link to that below. And you can look, there's so many different recordings of this. This isn't all of the verses because that's quite a bit, but there's a first couple here. And hopefully that's a good start. And if people are interested, leave a comment and I might make another one for the rest of the verses. Let's get started. A chlach, a va mohenaver, a va mohenaver, smohener, smohener, ora shenachas, ora shenachas. Achilig maragalavi, achilig maragalavi. Mogalat achlach, mogalat achlach. And then here's the chorus, which is just vocables. So there's not really a translation for this. And some people have it every 4 lines and some people have it every 8 lines. So pick the way that you like it. But it sounds like this. Si yudava horo hiliamboha, hiliamborueku, hiliamboha. Si yudava horo hiliamboha. Gur komalum ian kerara no kalasa non kalavai. So that was ian kerara no kalasa non kalavai. Ho fatsahain alapin. Ho fatsahain alapin. Nen garavlichen kas. Nen garavlichen kas. The A's there, but you're not really going to hear it when you're singing. And then the chorus again. Si yudava horo hili amboha, hili amborueku hili amboha. Si yudava horo hili amboha. Ga kuranacha cheramain, a humasi gu falachi, a humasi gu falachi. Snachurin, snachurin. Snach jerakit, snach jerakit. Skellep ye horst as. Skellep ye horst as. And then the chorus again. Si yudava horo hiliam boha, hiliam boruegu, hiliam boha. Si yudava horo hiliam boha. A chlach gahaya yeorn, a chlach gahaya yeorn. Fein as an union, fein as an union. Skujevin marahile, skujevinje marahile. Hanishin guma, hanishin guma. And the chorus again. Siudava horo hili emboha, hili emboruegu, hili emboha. Siudava horo hili emboha. And that's as much as we're going to do in this video. Go ahead and watch it as many times as you like to kind of get the sense of those words. Have a look at them while you're looking at a recording of it. Plenty of videos on other YouTube channels. You can get recordings of this one. It's a really fun song. And I hope you enjoy it. Modern time, agus tapalev, Chidi and Drasta.